So, my best friend of many years, who you might recognize from my Pokemon Go video 10 years ago, wow, I've been doing this for a long time, is getting married. We had an awesome bachelor trip planned in the majestic mountains of Colorado, but we live 14 hours away. So today, I invite you to join me on this journey, as I let you know some tips and tricks I learned to survive a 14-hour car ride. Tip number 1, leave early. Of course, this one's kind of up to what your plans are, but for a long drive like this, the earlier, the better. It's nice to be able to just get on the road first thing and start chipping away at those hours, and it's hard to explain just how crappy the feeling of driving for 10 plus hours and then driving on past sunset feels. Tip number 2 is one that's going to be up to the company you have in your car, but some good old-fashioned car games are a great way for passing the time.
Update again because I wasn't recording. We're playing the alphabet word game. Go start with the letter A and we go in order. We've been on X for like half an hour. Jazzed about that?
It's terrible. Awful. There's no X's in the state of Nebraska.
We've not found an X.
As a fleet of 3 cars on this trip, we were able to play competitively between us as well, which united our cars getting together as a team. Another fun one is playing Guessing the Anime Song or Guessing the Video Game Song videos on YouTube, which is a personal favorite from our drives to anime conventions. There's a little link there for you. Tip number 3, and my personal favorite on this list, is to make unique and memorable stops. Stops in general are just really important for segmenting out a long trip. 2 hours to a neat coffee shop or even just the next gas station looks way better looking at maps than 11 hours remaining in total. Getting out of the car often is a total game changer as well, not just for stretching and pooping, but also get a change of scenery and some fresh air. I personally think fostering an adventurous spirit is really important to surviving a trip like this, and that starts on the drive. Instead of just stopping at the same gas station you try at home, try out one you don't have. Better yet, stop into whatever local spots begin to pop up in the middle of nowhere that you've just never seen before. Those moments especially stick with you because they're part of the adventure, not just the long haul to get there. And creating moments and memories is going to make those 14 hours just a little more survivable. In the end, we survived our arduous journey, and the next day we climbed a whole ass mountain. In doing so, I realized that hiking a mountain and surviving a long car ride aren't incredibly different. The goal is the destination, but the journey shared with friends can be just as special. That and the fact that I'm sore as shit either way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I honestly expect this video to bomb along with my recent videos, but I'm trying to focus on just making content I enjoy, and hopefully the algorithm kind of like throws me a bone one of these days. I'm actually leaving for Japan in just a few days, so expect a crap ton of content focused on that for a little bit. And if this one does okay, maybe I'll make a guide on how to survive a 14-hour plane ride. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!